If there's anything that chronic disease has taught me, it's to be thankful for the little things. Even when your head's down because you don't have the strength to lift it, keep your thoughts up. Focus on the beauty around you, your family, your pets, the birds chirping, the things that whisper to you that there are better days ahead. Life is full of seasons. Even when the leaves die and fall to the ground, the nutrients are going back into the earth to feed the plant to prepare for spring to come again. There's still beauty in the struggle. When you're low, keep feeding yourself good thoughts, good food, and when you can, stretch and move. Little by little, you begin to feel a little better, which will lead to being able to do a little better, eventually leading to a new sense of energy inside you. It's in that time that you work on habits so that when you experience a shift in seasons, you are prepared to get yourself back out again. It takes time. For me, it's taken years, but now when I fall, I know what I need to do to get back up again. I know it's hard, but you get stronger, I promise. Little by little, Heather.